Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can use speech and how you can create effective presentations. So let's start. I'll show you the step-by-step process, what you can do here and what kind of effects can you use. And in my opinion, Pitch is just like amazing program. So I'm going to turn off my camera now so you can have like full movie and let's start. Now, when you're gonna be in home, you can simply like click here on create a presentation. Now we have option to start the templates, which you can do, or you can go with the story templates in which you can like completely edit. So let's start with a, startup here. And then you can simply add here all 29 slides, and you can see it here on top right corner. We can go like with this one here. Okay. And let's start with this new slide here. And now we can add simple text here. Then we can have an image here that I can like upload or add. Then you're gonna see like all the essential lines here that you can use. Then you're gonna see these images, vector images if you want to, stickers. Then you're gonna see the bar charts, and this is something that I really like and prefer. And you can play around it and use them and use the like data from Google Sheets and others, or like add just the data here. Then you're gonna see the insert a table if you want to. It's also really simple, or you can simply empty a video. That's another thing that you can do. Now you can also edit. Let me go back here. When you're gonna click on a slide, you can simply change the background color here if you want to, if you would like. Or you can simply present in styles. You can create a new style here, and you can change the background color, link colors, change the titles, what kind of fonts you want, headline, and you can do this for everything, right? And changing the colors. We are going to use the blue and white colors and click save. Now, when we got it, what you can do also is go to the right top corner and you see design here. Then you can also set the slide status here in workflow. You can also assign the slide, add the comments, reactions, and notes. So what I'm going to do, I'll just simply add an image here and add a title. And I can simply change the color here. Style colors to something even like white here. Let's go like this. You can add the image as I mentioned. Pretty simple and pretty easy. Okay. Now, what can I do? I can also, like, let's just add 29 slides and I will show you. This is like simple things that you can actually use as the topics and create really good presentation. I would even compare that you can use this as a Google slide in some way, right? You can add simple background image when you just right click on it, and it will automatically add, replace. But you need to be really careful because it can create, it's going to not be, how would I call it? The resolution is not going to be that great, right? So to go any further, you can also then present the presentation, how it looks like. And what is like big thing about Pitch is that you can actually work with other people on it. That you can like create a presentation with other people. So this is something huge comparing to Google Slides or Microsoft presentation. Let me go back. Let's also test others. We can go create presentation. And you can simply choose like team bulletin here, right? You can again apply style here, right click on it, delete it. When I'm going to play it, again, you can see that you can do multiple things here. And yeah, if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. For me, like, Peach is a really good program to test it out, to use. And you can really do multiple things here. I don't know what else should I show you, because in my eyes, this is really simple. Design, background color to, like, I don't know, this one here. Because these things are not really that hard to use, right? And add a title here. And add a simple text here. And yeah. So thank you very much, everybody, for watching. And goodbye. See ya.